Well guys, it is a nice Sunday afternoon here. It's probably 60 and it's time to do some lawn work. As you can see, both my front and backyards are getting pretty hairy of grass. So we are going to mow the lawn for the first time this year. But first we have to get it out of the shed. Here's the key. Got a master lock back here. So we're going to take the master key and we're going to try to do this one-handed. Yes, I think we got it. If that is the key. Got it. So let's take this off. We will. This shed came with the house. It's painted like a barn. So we'll take these. Sorry, I have to get the key out the lock. So now we gotta open the top like that, and it will open. This door you have to prop up. Alright, so now we are going to get the lawnmower out of the shed and you are going to see what we use. This, I'm going to run over something. Fix that. Is a vintage, let me get it out first. This right here is the vintage 1970s Honda lawnmower, gas powered. See there? And we are going to exchange this chute for the bag it comes with. Is this right here. You take this off, and we're going to exchange it for this here bag, so that we don't have to clean up the clippings. Normally I don't bag, but it's the first time, so I'm gonna. Okay, so now we gotta check this. The first thing is to make sure there's enough oil. We don't really ever have to change the oil on this. It's good. And the most important part is the gasoline. So let's check that. We're gonna have to fill it up. There's a little bit, but I like to top it off every time I mow. So this here is our gasoline can. It's pretty empty, but there should still be a little bit left in it. We don't want to spill because that causes rust. A little more. Oh, spilled a little bit. Alright, that's fine. Let me see here. There we go. Come over here real quick. We literally filled it to the top, and that's what I like to do. Unfortunately, there's a little bit of gasoline spillage, so I'm going to do that. I need to fill this, so I'm actually going to keep it right here. I was going to grab something. It doesn't matter. It's not enough, but... Okay, now comes the most important part. We're going to start it. So the way you start this, so this right here is the starter. So we're going to set this to choke. It has a choke. And then what this does, once it's done, is we are going to pull it over to high. So we're going to set it to choke, and this is going to take a couple pulls. But we are going to pull start it. It's going to take a minute. Okay, so now that it's done, we're going to switch it over to high. The way it works, this is the forward lever. You push this forward, it engages the blade, and then when you hit this, it's the propeller. So you guide it. You're going to have to open the gate. you've just joined me in the middle of having to change a bag. First, okay, it's recording. Sometimes people don't know how to start it because it's weird. Alright. We are going to be doing the bags here. So yeah, let me move it. Now to start mowing again. Keep filming. Switch it back to high. Oh yeah, let's switch it back to high. Gotta move this. This thing is empty. See if I can do this left-handed. Oh my god, I can hear the freaking birds. Well, there you go. That was mowing the lawn for the first time this season. As you can see, it's all done now. I'm gonna go take a shower. That's it.